Hi there folks, how's it going today? Colin Tyler here at Woodridge Ford, and today we're going to take a look at the enhanced park assist features available in the 2020 Ford Escape, Ford Edge, and Ford Expedition. Now, the Explorer also does have this, but that's going to be the 2.0 active park assist feature. A little bit different when it comes to the sensor system, so today we're going to focus mainly on the enhanced features. Now, what is enhanced park assist? Mainly, it's a system, what the name says. It's going to help you when you're perpendicular or parallel parking or trying to get out of a spot when somebody has come up really tight on your rear or really tight on your front and you need just that little bit of help getting out. We're going to hop into this Expedition Limited behind me and we're going to take a look at how it works, and I'll walk you through how to use these great features. Okay folks, so we're going to take a look now first at the perpendicular parking feature in the enhanced park assist. In order to access this, you're going to hit this button right here, the P next to the steering wheel, once and twice. On the screen you're going to see it bring up perpendicular park. Now by default it's always going to set the sensors to your right hand side or your passenger side. If you want it to switch to say the other side, you're going to use your turn signal. So signal left, you're going to see your sensors switch to the left, to the right, they're going to switch to the right. Now we're all set. It's going to tell you right now that you're going to want to start driving forward. So we're going to start driving forward. We've got a nice spot up on the right here. So you're going to see it here in a minute tell you that it's found its spot and it wants me to pull forward a little more and to stop. This is the point where you're going to let go of the wheel and throw it into reverse. As you see there, go steering wheel, and you're going to come back. Now, one of the things you don't want to do is put your hands on the wheel while it's reversing. I know it feels a little counterintuitive, but the minute it senses either the vehicle going into neutral or your hands jerking the wheel, it's going to stop the enhanced assist features. Now it's telling me back up, prepare to stop here. And we're coming up and stops. It's telling me to shift forward. It's going to do that for me. Again, nice weird go steering wheel. And start straightening out a bit. And we're finished. And now you've got a perfect parallel parking or perpendicular parking job. Next, we're going to show you how to do parallel parking with this feature. Okay folks, the next one we're going to look at here is the parallel parking feature when it comes to your enhanced auto park. Similar to the perpendicular, except this time you're going to hit that P button just once. And actually, as we're looking here, you'll see right now it says disengage reverse. That's because I've left the vehicle in reverse. So what this is going to do, it's going to really look out for you. So now we hit the P. As before, it's going to default to your right hand side. Should be signaling. We're going to keep the signal off just because of the sound. But as I said, if you're doing it left and then right, I'm going to keep emphasizing that for you folks. So right now we've set up on the right side and we're going forward. Got a couple really nice spaces here to pull into, so we're going to let the vehicle sense it out. It's found its spot. It's giving me a notice. I'm going to keep pulling forward. It should tell me to stop any minute here. And there we go. Let's go into reverse. As you're going to see here, we're now going to start going in to reverse. And even things like bumps in the road aren't going to bother this guy. Going in. And as you see right now, we have a real stressful situation because we have a forklift coming up on us. And you've probably been in that situation where you're parallel parking, you got someone pulling up on you, you're getting really stressed by it, this takes out all the stress of the situation. Okay, getting in there, pulling in tight, turn forward. And for those wondering, this is possibly your worst case parallel parking scenario. And we're done. Simple as that, folks. Now, let's take a look how we're going to get out of this. The final one we're going to show you here, folks, is this vehicle is equipped if you need to do parallel park out. So this, as you see right now, we are in a nice tight little spot here. So signal and shift into reverse. And what the vehicle is going to do for me is going to help me get out of this tight spot that we're in. So we're going back, you're hearing the beeps. And this is the nice thing with the 3D camera, no issues, and you're out and you take control and you're off. So folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this has been enlightening into the enhanced features when it comes to auto park within the Ford series of SUVs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, woodridgeford.com. You know the details. Take care.